This is a free $500 no deposit account, and you are not depositing a single dime into this account. You are going to be claiming it absolutely free, as you can see on the screen, and I'll be dropping the link in the description. I'll be pinning it in the description, and I'll be putting it in the comment section so that you can claim it easily without stress. Because of YouTube terms and conditions, I won't be able to drop it on YouTube straight, so you'll be clicking on it to claim it through the Telegram channel. As you can see on the screen, I've claimed it. And regarding the terms and conditions, you would have to trade a particular lot size before you can withdraw from this account. As you can see, I'll be taking you through the steps one by one so that you don't have to go through any tough process by putting in the easiest work. As you can see, for the Insta Forex 500 no deposit, as I've said earlier, you're not depositing a single dime to trade this account and to get this bonus. And for the withdrawal, you would have to trade 3 standard lot size for every $1 that will be withdrawn. That is to say, if you make withdrawal on each $1, you would have to trade a standard 3 lot size. Is that right? And for the eligibility, this bonus is only available for new traders. So if you are a new trader that wants to test the forex market with a risk-free account, this account is really for you. And to get this account, after you click on the link in my description and the link that I'll be pinning in the comment section, you'd have to input your email address, and then you click on get bonus, which will bring you to this section where you'd have to fill in your Gmail, your phone number, and all the details that you need to fill, as you can see on the screen. And you'd have to include your Facebook link on it, which is below here, as you can see on the screen. I'll be taking you through the process. You just have to come to your Facebook profile. As you can see on these 3 dots, you'd have to click on these 3 dots to get the link that you'll be using, like the link that you'll be inputting. As you can see here, it brought copy link on the profile. After you copy the link on your profile, it is that link that you'll be inputting back on that Facebook section that is under here, while the other section on the other hand, which is SKYP Skype account, that one is not compulsory. You can just leave it blank and click on submit, which will bring you to this dashboard here. And after you click on it, you'd see your $500 no deposit account in your dashboard here, as you can see on the screen. And remember, you will be logging in using MT4 only. As you can see on the screen, this is the email address which I'll be using to log in into MT4 account. And by inputting my login details, my password, I'll be signed in. And remember, if you are inputting your details, make sure the server that you are using is correct. Like, make sure you copy it. Don't try to be inputting it word for word. Just try to copy it and then paste it on your MetaTrader 4 so that it will be easy for you to access the account without going through a lot of stress. And in less than a minute, the bonus will reflect on your account, as you can see on the screen. And if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe so we can grow together as a community, as I'll be dropping Forex no deposit account back to back so that you can claim this account absolutely for free and you can withdraw your profits.